Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I made my craft table. It's fairly easy, quick, inexpensive, and very functional. So here we go. This is the first side of my craft table. It's made with a 6-bin shelf from Walmart. I think this was about $35 when I bought it, which has been a couple years now. The bins are extra, the little cloth bins. But you see, it holds, this is all my 8x10 card stock, dog food. Jeffrey always has to be in there. These little bins are full of all kinds of goodies. So I use this on one end, then coming around to the other side, on the left you'll see the side of the 6-hole shelf, and then I have another 6-hole shelf here filled up with all kinds of goodies. This side faces my kitchen, so I have some kitchen supplies, but I also have craft supplies in the bins. Then coming here to the end, you can use the sides of the opposing shelf to hang something on. I've got this fish to hold my scissors that I'm always needing. And I use some different storage solutions here. I have Jeffrey's toys in the bottom. Then I have the little 3-drawer plastic thing that goes inside. And the little basket that I can lift out easily because it has things that I use all the time. Then coming around to this side, this is also the opposing side of the last one, so I hang my straight edge there. It's hanging on a thumbtack so I can grab it easy. These are the bins I use most, so they're on the side where I normally stand when I do these videos. And I have a hand towel holder to put my tape on for when I'm packaging my packages. The top was made from, I live in an RV, and the table and chairs are not very functional in my opinion in an RV, so I took mine out and I saved the top. So I painted it with some hammered paint. I put rubber washers on top of the shelving before I set this down so that it won't slide around. And the dimensions of this, it's 2 foot wide, 36 inches tall, and 38 inches long. That's how long the shelves are. But I could have closed up this gap, which would make it shorter in case you have a shorter tabletop. I left this big gap because I store my my Cricut mats, my poster board, any kind of flat, long things that I can fit in there. Try to utilize all the space. And when I do my videos for y'all and I'm making my crafts, this is where I normally stand, right here. So these bins have the things that I need most. And then you remove this, and I have all this workspace, which you can see is well used. It needed another coat of paint, but since I do all my crafts right here, I didn't really worry about it too much. So that's it. I'm gonna find the shelves on walmart.com, and I'll put a link down below, so if you want to make one yourself, you can go there quickly, click the link, and buy it. Like I said, I think the 6-hole shelves were $35 when I bought it, but it's been a couple years ago. They may be higher. And the bins you have to buy separately. Now the bins that are right here, these little bins, I got at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. But the other bins, I think they're 11 by 13. I got them at Walmart, and I think they were like $5 a piece. So the whole thing I think is less than $100, and it's very functional. Also, let me flip it. This section right here, you could take that one out. I started out that way, and I had a bar stool there on each side so that I could still sit up here and eat at the table. But I never sat there. I never used it because I have a coffee table that the top lifts up and it goes right to the couch, so I usually eat over there. So I went ahead and put some more storage in right here. But it's up to you. You could do it that way if you wanted. That's it. I'm going to get busy on the Bible marker video that I was going to put up next. And something else I haven't written down. One of my notes on my handy dandy inside cabinet note holder. Talk to you later. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.